evening from the kitchen, folks. It's my birthday, and 2 years ago, on my birthday, I bottled a mixed berry red wine. There it is. Now, in actual fact, I called it a mixed berry red wine because it was from very red mixed berry fancy juice, which I bought somewhere in Staffordshire. But in actual fact, it's a rosé, it's not a red. And I should have relabelled it, but I called it red, but there you go. Anyway, this has been in the bottle for 2 whole years. And it's not in a proper wine bottle, it's in a vodka bottle. And it's not got a proper cork in it, it's got a stopper, because I didn't know about corking at the time. This is pre my wine corking days. So this was me just putting stoppers in and then sealing them in with shrinkable wraps on the top, like you can see there. So I've got no idea, essentially 2 years later, if this is going to be any good or not. Now, when I opened it at the time, it was hugely full-bodied and full of flavour. Will it still be? Well, I don't know, but we're going to find out. So in this film today, I'm going to open and taste this and review it after aging for 2 years. And if it is vile or horrible, I will tell you. So first things first, I need to cut that shrink wrap on top. So yeah, I only bought a corker this year and learned how to use it properly. And I've got some wine videos to show you from that, some still wine videos, because I usually do sparkling. So yeah, back in those days, I just wasn't bothered and I just used whatever I could find. So shrink wrap off. Let's get the cork or the bung out. See what it's like. Okay. Seemed okay. It's got an interesting smell. Interesting's not always a good word in the English language. I'm not 100% convinced. I'm just going to peel this off because I think it'll be nicer without it on. Possibly. Why am I even bothering? Does it matter? Probably not. There we go. I just wanted it to be tidier. Okay, let's pour it into the glass and have a look at it. So this is never intended to be sparkling. And you can see very clearly that if this was a red wine, then it'd be a very, very pale red. It is a rosé, it's a dark rosé. I mean, you know what, there's somewhere on that scale where red becomes rosé, isn't there? So, I'm calling it a rosé as well because I think the red in red wine comes from the red grape skins, am I right in saying that? And this is just a carton or cartons of mixed berry juice. Fancy stuff too, if I remember rightly. So, it looks nice in the glass. It looks very slightly cloudy, and that's because it's cold. It's been in the fridge, so therefore I'm getting the chill effect of condensation, but it is clear. Now, putting my nose in, I'll tell you what that smell is. It's potent alcohol smell. It's almost a bit vodka-y. Yeah, that's strong. I mean, what was the ABV of this? Oh yeah, 14% ABV. Okay, so, yeah. And that's a 1.5 litre bottle. Okay, double wine tonight. Hey, headache tomorrow. But that's tomorrow's problem. Right, let's have a taste. That is complicated, but not unreasonable. The fruitiness is undeniably there. It's huge. But it's got kind of a burnt toffee, almost like cinder toffee type finish to it, or bonfire toffee type finish. Really different. I've never made anything else that's tasted like this before. And in fairness, it's not a bad taste. I'm not repulsed by it in the slightest, which is always a winner. It doesn't taste like 14%, but it smells like strong alcohol. It's one of those wines, it's got a sweetness to it. And when I say a sweetness, it's medium sweet. Let's get this there now, it is medium sweet. And that medium sweetness will make this too easy to drink. And I think it's one of those ones where after a couple of glasses, you'll not even realise you've had that much. And then you'll be on to the next one and the next one. And then it's like, whoa. Come on, look, lots of us have been there. Let's just not deny it. So, yeah, it's actually all right after 2 years. And when I say all right, no, I'm undervaluing this. It's not all right. It's decent. It's good. It's all right. I'm happy with it. So after 2 years of aging, it's done it no harm whatsoever. Just using this instead of a proper cork in the bottle has done it no harm whatsoever. And it's turned out more than drinkable. And it's a very sunny evening tonight, and I'm going to enjoy this in my garden. So before we go any further, I must get a picture for the front of the film, so please bear with me. Okay folks, if you want to look up the original film that I made to make this wine, I've got my phone in front of me, it's called Making a Delicious and Full-Bodied Mixed Berry Red Wine. Okay, big chunky title. And it was uploaded in December 2 years ago, so it's 2024, so it was December of 2022 when it was uploaded, but I bottled this in July of 2022. So you'll just have to scroll back through my channel to find it. In fact, I can show you the, if you want to find it, there's the thumbnail. That's what it looks like. That one there. You'll find it. You know what you're doing, more than I do. Right, it's been a pleasure as always, folks. I hope you've enjoyed the film. I'm going to enjoy this tonight in the garden. And we'll catch up on the next film, whatever that may be. Cooking, unboxing, I don't know. So cheers, folks, and I'll see you then. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Home and Garden production. You can find more by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. I'd just like to say thank you very much for supporting my YouTube channel and for watching my films. It really is very much appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to receive future updates about the home and garden films which I upload. You can find my YouTube channel by going to www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk. Please click on the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you press that also, then you'll get future updates about the films which I upload. If you like my films, if you like my style of filming, then you might also like my travel channel, which you will find by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss or type in www.mosstravel.tv. Again, if you could subscribe to that channel, it would be hugely appreciated. If you'd like to get Moss Home and Garden updates on Facebook, then please open Facebook and do a search for Moss Home and Garden, and you will find the page. If you like the page, then you will get future updates on there. And if you'd like to connect on Instagram for home, garden and travel photography, as well as some stories, then my username is StuMoss, STUMOSS. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, then my username is @StuartMoss. And if you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on stewmosshomegarden@gmail.com. Once again, thank you very much for supporting my channel, for watching my films. I do appreciate it. I'd just like you all to have a great day.